Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Solar Garage. It has been a minute since I've actually posted some real content. I've been doing shorts just to keep things going. But we're back today with Project Adam. And we got some carbon fiber goodies today. Ordered some Seibon carbon fiber front fenders off of Evasive. They had initially said 4 months. And I think it was maybe less than a month that it took for them to get out. So really happy about that. There's a lot of stuff I want to order, especially for the S2. But most of it's from Japan, and I still don't know why everything's taking so long. So I'd ordered my best friend a carbon fiber diffuser for his S2. As you guys can see here, super fucking clean. And that was literally a year ago, and it's still not here. So I mean, shit's fucking crazy. But I still might order some stuff here soon, just to see how long it does take to get here. But it's kind of disheartening when I want to try to work on the cars, but everything takes so fucking long to get here. But let's get to showing off the carbon fiber fenders real quick. They're still hella packaged. This is how they came in. Super wrapped up. I'll unwrap them here in a second. But before we get to all that, if you guys are enjoying the content, please subscribe. It does help a lot. Currently at 316 subscribers, trying to hit 500 by the end of the year, and every little bit helps. It means a lot more than you guys think. So if you guys enjoy it, there's always more car content on the way. You know, subscribe, smash that like button, and let me know if you guys want to see anything in particular. But let's get the show on the road. Alright, so here we have a look at the carbon fiber fenders. This is my second Seibon product. The hood on the Project Adam, as you guys can see, is carbon fiber as well. Pretty good fitment. So I'm expecting the same out of these. I am going to eventually have to modify them, probably pretty soon. This is going to end up rubbing. I did have the car lifted up just a little bit more recently, so it wouldn't be as bad, but we're still probably going to cut that off. Also, it looks like we're going to have to drill some holes here for the mold. Forget what the little mold pieces are. These right here. So a little bit of custom work. I won't worry about it initially, but they do look really good. Alright, so in order to remove the fenders, yeah, these 3 bolts generally. As you guys can see, I've swapped them over to Downstar bolts. They just look a whole lot prettier. I'm trying to think if the headlight's connected anyway. There should be a bolt down here for the front bumper, the screw. And I think, can't think of what this is called at the moment, but I think that's gonna have to come off too. I'm already missing a bolt, a screw in the front anyways. I think that came out whenever the fender liner came out. But we're gonna take all of those out real quick and then see what all we're missing. Alright, so you do have to remove the side skirt. That's the name of this thing, couldn't remember earlier. You do have these 3 clips under here. They might spin out like this one did, and it's a lot easier to take out, but these I had to pretty much pry them out. I'll probably end up getting some new ones. And then from what I've seen, you just slide this forward. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Yep. Slide it forward and it pops off. Yeah, look at all that junk that was in there. Ugh. And then there's our last 2 bolts. So that's it, and we should be able to take this fender off and get our other fender on. All right. So here we have 2 bolts. One I already took off, and then we got one up here that needs to come out as well. All right, this clip right here we will have to reuse, and then I'm not going to worry about that little piece that I showed you guys earlier, but we will eventually take these off as well. All right, we do have the driver's side fender on. Fitment is a little rough. It was kind of a pain to get this to match up. Maybe I need to adjust my headlights a little. You can definitely see the gap here. And as we follow this, you'll notice the gap to get a lot wider towards the back, because this right here doesn't quite match up. I can't get this to quite match up either. And then I can't get this last bolt down here to go in either, because it's kind of like this. But as far as the door fitment, it's not terrible. It looks pretty good. I guess except for up here where you could see it sticking out. That is one of the problems with carbon fiber, which is also the reason I ended up returning my carbon fiber windshield cowl, because the fitment was just too off. We might be able to make this work, but it is going to take a little bit of finessing. But right now we're just throwing it on. Alright, here is the passenger side done. This side did fit better, so which gives me hope that the other side's just maybe a little off. Again, this thing has been in 2 wrecks. One with a deer and then one with another car, so probably just needs to be aligned. Probably need to take it to a body shop and have it touched up a little. I was able to actually get that bolt in there. The fitment looks good. Got both of those in as well. I did have to kind of expand the holes a little on some of them. I did for that one down here. And then I don't have these 2 bolts in right here yet. We'll work on those later because those aren't quite aligning yet. I still need to put this one in before I forget. But apart from that, I mean, we're pretty much done. And it actually looks pretty good. So, like I said, probably gonna have to fuck with this side over here. Let me close the hood and then we'll have a full look at it. Alright, here's how she looks with the hood closed. This side looks a whole lot better. This gap right here is a little high, but I'm not worried about that. But if we follow it all the way back, a whole lot better than what the other side is. So I think it's just an alignment issue. Again, we will finish installing these later because we'll have to either use a Dremel or drill it out. But apart from that, it looks really good. I wish the front bumper was painted, but we'll get to that later. All we really need now is a new rear bumper for when it got messed up. when my exhaust came off when I was driving. And I think we are ready for paint on this baby. Alright, I was almost forgetting to record the outro for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wasn't too hard of a install. I think the biggest thing is definitely that the car's front end is out of alignment, like I said from the previous wrecks, so probably gonna have to take it to a body shop, see what they can do. But apart from that, it looks really good. Thanks to Evasive and Seibon for the product. And again, if you guys did enjoy the video, subscribe, it helps a lot, and smash that like button. But until next time, stay safe, take care, and keep fucking going.